Hi everyone, I'm Monica from the StratifyPro support team, and today I'm going to walk you through creating a new plan with goals, projects, KPIs, and actions in StratifyPro. Even if you already have other plans, let's create a new one for demonstration purposes. While StratifyPro offers powerful features like plan import from templates and AI-powered plan generation, we'll explore those in detail later. For now, let's focus on manually adding elements to understand the core functionalities of creating and managing plans. Let's jump right in. I normally start with a template that simply outlines the strategic plan name, major goal or strategic intent, viewpoints, goals, actions, and target. Here's my example I will use to build this strategic plan with you. I will reference this template throughout this video as we build the plan together. Let's start by adding a plan in StratifyPro. From the Groups and Plans page, let's click on Add New and select Add Plan. You want to start out by giving your plan a clear title. For example, we call this strategic plan the marketing strategy. Briefly describe the plan's goal. The overall strategic goal is to generate 5% additional margin. We will add this to the description of the plan in StratifyPro. We don't need to define a parent plan or group for this demo. Let's leave them blank for now and just click Save. You will now see the plan in the Groups and Plans page. Now that your plan has been created, you can click on the newly created plan, Marketing Strategy, to access the Strategy Planner page. Let's start with viewpoints, which are the focus areas of your plan. StratifyPro starts you off with 4 viewpoints you can see here, similar to a traditional balanced scorecard. You can customize them by keeping them, changing them, deleting them, or adding new ones. For today's demo, let's simply go ahead and add a new viewpoint. For instance, let's start with the product branding viewpoint. Click on Add a Viewpoint and select Add New Viewpoint. You will see an inline input box appear. Simply type the name of your viewpoint, Product Branding, and click Save. You will now see the viewpoint added to your newly created plan. Now the next step is to start defining goals and actions. Within the product branding viewpoint, define a goal or desired outcome. Let's call it Launch New Branding Program. You do this by clicking the plus sign next to the viewpoint and select New Goal. You will see an inline text box appear. Type in the name of the goal, Launch New Branding Program. Then click Save, and you will see the goal appear under the viewpoint. You can also update the default deadline and dates based on your needs. We'll cover deadline options in detail in later videos. Now, add qualitative actions that contribute to achieving the goal. Let's add some right now to show you how to do this. Let's create a project called Research and Develop at least 30 candidate products with 2 actions within the project. Action 1 will be called Present Candidate Products to Board, and Action 2 will be called Finalize Product Development. You can do this by clicking the plus sign next to the goal we just created. Select New Project. Type in the name of the project in the inline box, which is Research and Develop at least 30 candidate products. Click Save. Now you can see the project created within the new goal. Next, we will add the actions. Let's start adding actions to the project, as well as an independent action that doesn't fall into a project bucket. Again, click on the plus sign next to the project name we just created. You will see an inline box appear to name the action. Let's start with Action 1 and type in Present Candidate Products to Board. Let's do the same for Action 2. Again, click the plus sign next to the project name, click New Action, and type in the name for Action 2, Finalize Product Development. Click Save. You will now see both sub-actions embedded within the project. Now, let's add an independent action to this goal that is not part of a project. Let's click the plus sign next to the goal and select New Action. Type the name of the action. Develop go-to-market strategy for 17 products and launch in the inline text box that appears and click Save. You will now see the project with 2 sub-actions, as well as the independent action under the goal. Now let's go ahead and start defining quantitative KPIs, or what we also call targets. Let's show you how to set a measurable target for the goal. For example, $3 million in revenue from new products this year. You do this by clicking the plus sign next to the goal, followed by clicking on New KPI in the drop-down. When the inline text box appears, type in the KPI name, $3 million in revenue from new products this year, and click Save. You will see the KPI added under the goal. To the right of the newly added KPI will also be text to add tracking. Let's go ahead and click that. This will bring up the KPI sidebar landing on the tracking section of the sidebar. You can select how you want to track the KPI, either manually or with an integration. Let's keep this simple and just select manually. We will cover integrations in later videos, which automated data into the KPIs by connecting to tools you already use. Now it's time to set the target type. For this example, let's just make it an achieve target. All of these types will be discussed in detail in later videos. The measurement should be set to dollars. Let's set the initial value to 0, and the target value should be set to 3 million. Click Save, and you can see the tracking data populating the sidebar and the KPI in the strategic plan. Congrats! You've completed the setup for your goal. StratifyPro will automatically calculate progress based on completed actions, projects, and achieving the target. Some key takeaways are: Number 1, you can have multiple goals within a viewpoint. Number 2, actions are best for simpler tasks, while projects are for a collection of related actions. By following these steps, you can create clear and organized plans in StratifyPro to manage your team's strategy effectively. Thanks for watching this video.